I love the violin, and I got to meet someone very special. He's called a luthier, which in French means a violin maker. Hi, I'm Reagan.
Reagan, how are you? I'm Kevin.
Good, and you?
I'm good, thank you. Welcome to my shop. This is where I do most of my work, is right here. And this is we kind of made this L-shaped bench so that I could be working here and someone like you could come in, you could put your instrument here, and I can work on this without having to put everything away. And then I can change your strings, and then I can turn back over here and get back to what I'm doing.
The violin has a scroll, a neck, a bridge, and 4 strings. G, D, A, and E. I found a way to learn them all and remember them. Here's how it goes. Every good boy deserves fudge. It's also a little funny. What kind of wood is violins made out of?
A violin, well, I have an example right here because I'm making one.
Ooh.
So this is the top, and this is made from spruce. Now my wood is it's European wood, so European cut. It's tone wood, and you see the archings here, all of these kind of things. This is cut out of a solid block of wood, like just a big board like that. So then I cut the outline, and then I go and I take this guy and I start carving, and I carve this shape all like that, and then it gets closer to being the shape I want, and then I take finger planes like this, and I just start working and making it a little bit smaller and a little more, over here. Try and get them nice and even like that. So that's the spruce, it's the top.
Oh.
Now the back is made out of maple, and this is maple.
Ooh,
And you
that's
see,
pretty.
yeah, you see all these stripes? That's because the grain runs this way, and it grows curled like this, and it's actually a virus in the tree.
Wow.
The tree has a virus that makes it do that. Then when you cut it nice and flat like that, you can see those stripes. So this is maple. And also the sides of the instrument are also maple, but they're very thin. You see how thin that is?
Yeah, that's pretty thin.
1 millimeter thick. That's all. And then I heat up a bending iron and I bend them around. This is a form. This comes out, but all of these blocks right here stay in and hold the ribs. The ribs are glued to this. So then I take this, put it on here, draw the outline, and then I can cut the outline off of that. So that's maple, this is maple, and then so is the scroll.
Wow.
And this is the scroll. Violins are made out of spruce and maple.
Wow.
Yep, spruce on the top because it vibrates so easily that's your main vibrating surface. And then all the other, the sides, the back, and the scroll, they get a sound vibration. They get a vibration transference from the top.
Do they have to be different kinds of woods?
For the top and the back need to be different.
Why is
Because,
that?
well, because the top creates a certain vibration pattern. And if you change that, it changes everything. Actually, if you change this, it changes everything too. So you want this is softer, so it vibrates more easily. It's a different thickness pattern than you would put on this. So this one is a hardwood, and so it gives a real good support. Just it takes all the pressure and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, a violin maker like me will cut these holes.
Why do you need to cut them?
Well, because the sound needs to escape. If you leave these covered,
I'm just gonna sound like this. Yeah, it's like, can you imagine singing like this?
Like, what's the matter? Open your mouth. So you have the strings, right? They're on the pegs. It's tied in here, but it has to stop across something to keep it up off the fingerboard, right?
Uh-huh.
So you vibrate, you make a noise like that, you make the string vibrate. The vibration is captured by the bridge, and it comes down the feet and into the top. So this is your primary vibrational piece.
Wow.
After the string, of course. You know. So that's kind of how that works. And then the sound post is inside. And on this side is a brace that runs the entire length of, almost the entire length of the top. And it supports the bass side of the instrument.
Whoa.
Okay.
The violin maker let me even work on the violin. He gave me a little tool to shave up some of the parts of the violin to make it beautiful the way it's supposed to be.